Chapter 2, Section 2, If and Then Statements. If and then statements are common in everyday speech and in mathematics. The if and then statement is a form of if A, then B.
A is called the hypothesis, B is called the conclusion, just like the following examples. If a measure of an angle is less than 90 degrees, then it is an acute angle. If you live in a glass house, then you shouldn't throw stones.
Next, we move on to the converse. The converse of a statement is formed by exchanging the hypothesis and the conclusion of a statement.
Statement, if A, then B, converse B, then A. If you have an acute angle then the measure is less than 90 degrees. If you like to throw stones, then you shouldn't live in a glass house.
Now, everyone remember, a true statement is always true, and a false statement is always false. Chapter 3, Section 4, the SSS postulate.
Postulate 9. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding parts of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. Postulate 9 tells us that triangle ABC is equal to and congruent to triangle RST.
Example on how to prove the SSS postulate. Given, X is the midpoint of A, B, and CD. Prove, triangle AXC is equal to and congruent to triangle BXD.
CX equals DX because it is the given and midpoint of CD. AX equals BX because it's given and X is the midpoint of AD. AC equals BD because it's given, and triangle AXC is equal to and congruent to triangle BXD from the SSS postulate.
Chapter 5, Section 5, Properties of Special Parallelograms. Theorem 7. The diagrams of the rectangle are equal, like AC equals BD.
Theorem 8. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular and they bisect the angles of the rhombus. AC is perpendicular to BD. Angle 1 equals angle 2, angle 3 equals angle 4, angle 5 equals angle 6, and angle 7 equals angle 8. Theorem 9. The midpoint of a hypotenuse of a right triangle is equidistant from the three verticals.